Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. These are the 2025 Tooned Golf Set series. I know it's late, but sorry guys. I didn't even open it until now. But anyway, please enjoy this video. So, this set comes with 5 cars, and I only managed to find 3 of them. The remaining 2, I honestly don't know why people want them so badly. It's missing from the shelves. The Chevy Silverado and Mongo Tuner. Just to share, I didn't find all of these all at once. Like this cool looking Supra. I bought this one from a reseller. He sells cheap, so I cannot stop myself. Okay, let's open this guys up. This is a Tooned 70s Volkswagen Golf K1. A compact family car in the 70s, supposed to replace the legendary Beetle at that time. The previous basic mainlines doesn't have such detailing. Just look at the detailed on the taillights. Take a look at the plate. Amazing. And here we have a Tooned 1970 Dodge Charger. It's an iconic car from Fast and Furious movies, the one driven by Dominic Toretto. Just look at that. You can see it has more detailed on the taillights. Not like the basic mainlines. I don't think there was a real Golf Dodge Charger in the real world. Looks very nice, but let me know in the comment. And last but not least, a 1990 for Super Tooned version. Again, another iconic car in Fast and Furious movies. But more detailed taillights, with Golf logo. Such an amazing casting. This is the same Fast and Furious design driven by Brian. Very nice. These Tooned cars are super cute. I collect some of the basic mainlines ones, but this Silver Series set is a must-have. It has more detail compared to the basic mainlines. Okay, that's all for now. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care.